In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete non-selected area Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to target everything except the part you want to keep, so the unwanted areas are ready to remove in a clean, controlled way. Start by making sure your image is open and active. Then look to the top of the interface and switch to Pixel View. This puts you in the pixel editing workspace, which is essential for selections that will affect actual image pixels rather than vector shapes. Next, head to the toolbar on the left and choose the Selection Brush tool. This tool lets you paint a selection. Before you begin, glance at the context toolbar to fine-tune the brush size and the add or subtract mode so the brush behaves the way you need. A slightly soft brush edge can help avoid harsh cut lines, while a smaller brush size will give you more control around details like hair, edges, or narrow gaps. Now paint over the part you want to keep. Think of it this way. It's often easier to select the subject you care about than to try to select the entire background. Take your time, zoom in where necessary, and clean up any stray marching ants by switching between Add and Subtract in the Context toolbar until your selection neatly hugs the subject. With your subject selected, go to the top and click Pixel. Then hover over Pixel Selection and choose Invert. This flips the selection so that everything other than your chosen subject becomes selected. You'll see the marching ants jump from the subject to the surrounding areas, confirming that the non-selected area is now targeted. At this point, the background or other unwanted regions are selected and ready to be removed according to your workflow. A quick recap: enter Pixel View, use the selection brush to select what you want to keep, and then invert the selection from the pixel menu so the rest becomes active. That's the cleanest path to deleting the non-selected area in Affinity Photo while keeping your subject intact.